Peace, what's up, people? Soupalawyer here. You can check me out on soupalawyer.com, soupalawyer.com. Super today, this is what we're going to do. I spoke on defective notice in a previous video, so I'm going to add on to that. It's a rule that you need to check out. Pennsylvania Rules of Criminal Procedure, Rule 109. This is dealing with the defects in the notice, the form, the content of a complaint, and all that. Under this rule, you must raise the defect in your complaint prior to the conclusion of the preliminary hearing. What you need to do is you need to go on Google, type in Pennsylvania Rules of Criminal Procedure, Rule 109, and check it out. Because basically what it says is that if you do not raise the defect prior to the conclusion of the preliminary hearing, then you will not be discharged from custody or your complaint will not be quashed. So again, I spoke on this in a previous video, talking about the defect, the defective notice. So I'm just adding this rule on because I didn't want to hit you with this rule all at one time. So I'm giving it to you now. You know, this is super today. You got to check it out. Pennsylvania Rules of Criminal Procedure, Rule 109, is dealing with the defects in the form and the content of the complaint. And it states in this rule that you must raise the defect prior to the conclusion of the preliminary hearing. Before the judge decide to bound your charges over to the trial court, you must raise any defects that you see. Any defects that you see in your complaint, any defects with the offense, any defects. And if this defect is prejudicial to your rights or you're prejudiced by this defect in any type of way, and you request that the charge or the complaint be quashed and that you be discharged from custody, and the judge see that you are prejudiced by the defect, then the judge could quash the complaint and he could discharge you from custody. So this all happens under this rule, Pennsylvania Rules of Criminal Procedure, Rule 109. I'm Soupalawyer. You could always get more information on soupalawyer.com, soupalawyer.com. And if you'd like to interact more with us, you could go on salpeers.com, salpeers.com.